back in the shop today. I have a 2007 Toyota Tundra Crewmax, and in the back seat, this flip down lever on the other portion, this lever here, it's not working. It was dead. There's no resistance at all. So I'll show you what we found with this. It's pretty easy to take out. Here's the actual seat. To take it out, I just slid it all the way forwards, and then it's a 14mm bolt, and there are 6 of them. There's 1 here, 2 here. It was easier to take the seat belt bolt out as well at the same time, and then 2 up front. And then once you get that loose, this black plastic cover, there's 4 Phillips screws holding that on, and they are just right in here. So that exposed the back. And then this lever, I could see the cable was still in it, but there was no resistance. So here is a little plastic cover. Just pop that out with like a little screwdriver, and then 2 Phillips screws to hold that in. What I found was this cable top was still in the lever, but this head had popped out of the plastic assembly itself. I want to see why. It shouldn't just do that. So down here, if we follow, the cable goes down two different sides, and these were still attached. Here's the other side. But they seemed a little sticky, so I just sprayed in some penetrating oil on those, and now they work fine. And then I fished this cable out to show you, but after that, all I did was just put it back in and snapped it in. And it does help to put a little dab of glue or something to retain that, but otherwise that was all it was on this seat. It's pretty simple, just took time to figure out what was going on and why. But after you do that, it's a good time to vacuum, and yeah, even paying myself with all the money I'm finding. Not too hard, just takes a little time and a few basic tools. That's about it.